Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot browse Google Play Store or use any browser on your Nothing Phone 1. So in order to fix this, first let's see what kind of error it is. So we'll be opening Google Chrome. And now let's reload the page, and as you can see there's a clock behind error. And now go for Google Play Store, open any app, try installing it, but the game will be in a pending and won't change. As you can see, there is no change, so let's cancel it for now. And we need to fix this. Move to the settings, scroll all the way down to find the system. Go for date and time and set the time automatically. Now if we open Google Play Store and try installing the same game, it should install. If not, you will need to restart your Google Play Store, but for me it works fine. Now let's open Google Chrome and reload the page. And as you can see, it also works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.